You know those people that just seem to be talented at everything? They appear to have no flaws. They're attractive yet humble, intelligent yet charming, confident yet kind. Well, in the spice world, turmeric is that superstar. The popular golden yellow powder possesses a seemingly endless list of qualities, and boosting your skincare regimen is one of them. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I aim to bring you everything from sustainability, minimalism, self-care and self-development. Long before turmeric was hailed a superfood in the West, derived from the root of a type of tuber, turmeric has been used across India for centuries. It's a key ingredient in most curries, thanks to its deep and earthy, yet mildly fragrant flavor. Its medicinal properties have prompted many to sip on lattes and teas infused with it. Its vibrant hue has even earned a place in the textile world as a natural fabric dye. On top of this, turmeric is great for glowing skin. It may also help painful ailments such as acne and psoriasis. When consumed and applied topically, turmeric can help reduce inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic healing for many centuries. But it's only in recent years that Western medicine has started to acknowledge turmeric and its healing powers. Nutrition researcher Chris Gunnars notes that curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory. In fact, it is so powerful that it matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. So here are the 5 ways that turmeric benefits your skin. It may heal acne, it may heal psoriasis, it may reduce under-eye darkness, it firms the skin, and it can boost your skin's natural glow. When I was younger in my school days, this was the only mask I knew about and used religiously. On weekends, I would make a batch for my mum and I, and on school holidays, I would do this together with my cousins. And when I'd be visiting family in India, I'd make this with cousins and aunts on both my mum's and dad's side. It was just a fun and bonding thing to do together, to the extent that when with my family on my mum's side, we would actually go into the garden and dig out the roots of the turmeric, grind this and use it in its purest form. So the method I used was with the following ingredients. Turmeric powder, which is good for glow and reducing scarring. Plain yogurt, which moisturizes and brightens the skin and is also good for anti-aging. And this is something I've spoken about in many other videos of mine. Lemon juice brightens and reduces premature aging, also decreases the oil on the skin and reduces inflammation. Raw honey is good for dry skin and great to use for acne. Chana flour or gram flour nourishes and is an exfoliant. Vary the ingredients and quantities based on your need and skin type. Apply the paste on your skin and leave on until dry. Rinse thoroughly, alternating between warm and cool water. You can even end up the mask by using the frozen rice water ice block hack, or even just a plain old ice block. Pat dry and moisturize once done. It's a mask that will stain your clothes, so be sure to wear clothing that you don't care for when using this mask, or even doing it without any clothing just before you have a shower. Many Indian brides use this as an application just before getting married, for that extra glow. And in the north of India, there's an entire ceremony dedicated for this process, known as the Hardi or Haldi ceremony, which is said to keep the evil eye away. The color is considered auspicious, is for that extra glow. The antiseptic properties are good for blemish-free skin. Purification of the body, as it is an effective exfoliating agent and helps to get rid of dead skin cells, and is said to drive away pre-wedding jitters. Curcumin, the antioxidant present in turmeric, is also said to work as a mild antidepressant and a natural remedy for headaches as well. Yellow is associated with new beginnings and is a symbol of blessings, as all the ladies who are involved in the ritual shower the bride or groom-to-be with lots of happiness and togetherness. That was a mouthful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in videos such as this one, please be sure to check out my full channel. Until next time, be the change you want to see.